ఆర్యా సినిమా నీ పేరు అల్లు అర్జున విశాఖపట్నం టు భువనేశ్వర్. ఏం పేరమ్మా? హాయ్ హాయ్. హనియా? ఏం పేరండి? హనియా? మన ఫోన్ దానికి అటాచ్ చేయండి, గ్లాస్ అటాచ్ చేయండి, అప్పుడు బాగుంటుంది. ఇంకా మీరు friends, welcome to my channel Srikar Rail Fan. Today I am traveling in train number 18551 Visakhapatnam Kirandul Express in AC Visadam coaches from Visakhapatnam to Araku. This train was consisting total 13 coaches, 10 LHB coaches, 3 Visadam coaches. In 10 LHB coaches, 2 guard coaches, 3 second sitting reserve coaches, 1 sleeper coach, rest all second sitting unreserved coaches. తెచ్చేవండి చెక్ చేద్దాం ఆన్లైన్ అప్పుడు This train have only one Visadam coach. Due to increase the capacity, now this train have 3 Visadam coaches. But we get train in ticket in actually current availability luckily. But when we are trying, general waiting list not available. From 1 month before only not available. When we are trying in Tatkal not available. But when we are trying in current availability, this train tickets are available. That is the advantage of this train. And inside this train, fridge also available. Fridge is there, separate luggage deck is there. Everything I will show you in the train. Come please. This is our last coach. You can see last window also. We can see the journey experience, and I will show you. And I say in this train, fridge also available. See, in this train, fridge also available. This train fridge also available. And I think this is the guard cabin. Fire extinguishers are there. 2 fire extinguishers. And when we are booking this train now, they will show executive class. Executive class. I think my coach is fully full packed, and this coach will go up to Araku only. Up to Araku. And these coaches are dispatched in Araku. Again they will keep, one train will come from Kirandul evening 3 o'clock. Again they will attach. These are luggage deck. This is the luggage locker. When we are bringing big luggage, we can keep here. This is the advantage. But one disadvantage is in this coach only 40 seats are available. But when you want to travel in Visharam coach now, try to book before 2 months. Because I am trying from 1.5 months, always showing waiting list. Luckily we got today. But today, not a weekend. But when you are traveling Friday, Saturday, Sunday, na, pakka we have to book before only. But in Telugu states, Andhra and Telangana, is the only Visharam coach running in East Coast Railway. Actually, train departing time was 6:45, but now time is 6:56. Till now, train not departed because due to technical error, I think. Guard, T10 all checking. What is the communication lapse? But till now, not departed. But any problem is there, we don't know. But maybe Burra Caves be reaching on time. Actually, the time of reaching Burra Caves is 9:40, but already time was 50-minute delay. But what time we reaching Burra Caves, we don't know. But one thing I give an assurance, friends, in this train up to Burra Caves, you get visual treat. In Visakhapatnam Arco Express, platform number 6 only. But you can see my back side, platform number 7, Visakhapatnam Guntur Simhadri Express. This train was direct sharing with Secunderabad Guntur Palnadu Express. You can see my back side, platform number 5, Visakhapatnam Kachiguda Express came. It will come in from Kachiguda. Actually, our train departed from platform number 6 at 7:05 p.m. The time was 6:45 p.m. Train was 20-minute delay. We are reaching Burra Caves at 9:40 p.m. I think train will come 20 minutes. I am thinking, but it won't be delay. But we return also we are coming in same train, but in second sitting, not in Visharam coach.
If it delays, sticker will fail RTA on railways.
He is my friend Arnald Fermi from Tiruvallur, Tamil Nadu Balaya. This is a journey experience.
That's why I told. Executive Chaka.
That's why I also told my current availability.
Because of you only happened to speaker.
No, Arnald. No, I will not give credit to Arnald only. Arnald will take their step, not me. Nothing I am. ಅದು ಬೇಗ ವಿಶಾಖಪಟ್ಟಣಂ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್
You want that name, huh?
You can see that side Simhadri Express in platform number 7. It will go up to Guntur. Logo was VAP for Vijayawada. Hey. Well, train crossing is where level.
నేను చూస్తున్నాను కానీ ట్రైన్ ఇట్లా పోవాలా అన్నారావా
దట్ ఇస్ యార్డ్
అన్నారావా
ఆఫ్టర్ కొత్త బస్ it will change. My friends, I given wrong information startingly, but this seat also will rotate. Now TTR came and he explained how to rotate. Fully rotate. Fully rotate and fully moved. Turn around. Was none other than train number 12740 Secunderabad Visakhapatnam Garibaldi Express. Actually we came to Visakhapatnam this train only, but today this train only going. This is the in-train real experience. additional features of this train, Visharam coach. See, we have this leg facility, we can keep leg here very comfortably, without problem. And for leg facility is there, and we have to pull up and go back, and we have to pull up and get in. And one more, now we reached Simhachalam junction. Before already I said, this coach is back side of guard car. That's why not down the train. That too, so many passengers entered into the train. That's why not possible to get down the train. Okay, wow. But that too, the train have only 1 minute halt in Simhachalam junction. Now we are departing from Simhachalam. Just now we reached Simhachalam North Junction. First station we cross Simhachalam, and this is Simhachalam North. And every seat have water bottle holder also, seat back side, and every if you want means we can up and we can down. This is the additional facility, and we can with the button it will push back. You don't want push back means when you press this the long press means automatically it will come before. And this time one more additional facility now. You have to when you eating tiffin especially you have to open this and we can keep like this, and the other person also you can do the same way. When you not comfort that actually this train always full only because today luck no one is boarded. We can see next station people are boarding or not, we will confirm. This is the advantages I think. This side sorry, this side. When we having breakfast and lunch and snacks and tea or coffee, this is a major advantage in this train. Compared to before we traveled Shatabdi, Jan Shatabdi and AC executive chair car and LHB chair car. In that train also facilities are available, but this train now you see in back side of the train and some additional facilities, luggage rack is there. You can close, if you don't take it, you can close. And this is the one more additional facility I will show you.
என்னடா இன்னும் அடிஷனல் ஃபீச்சரா?
One more additional facility. And we get a new subscribers. Sir name is sir. Your name sir? Nadim Akhtar. Nadim Akhtar sir. West Bengal Kharagpur. Madam name?
Rabia.
Rabia. Chotu name? Chotu. Huh? Rehan Nadim. Bada Chotu ka name?
Nadim.
Nadim. Ab. Chotu de रहा है. मैं दिख रहा. Very happy to get new subscribers. See what are the 4 lanes track you can see. This train is fully visual treats, friends. Fully visual treats. खेल दोनों खेल ले रोटेट कर दोनों कर रोटेट ऐसे कर छोड़ तू भी ऐसे करना. Friends, just now we reached Kottavalsa junction. Anyway, luckily platform came this side. I get down the train, and from Kottavalsa junction, train will go different route. From Kottavalsa Vijayanagaram route and Kottavalsa Kirandul route. This train will go Kirandul route. From Kirandul route only Arku will come. See how station is super climate, armyana climate, wonderful climate, adbhutమైన climate. ఏమైనా బాగుంది climate ఏమైనా. Train given signal. I want to board the train. Guard also boarded. So you can hear the sound of engine also. Now train is moved. From Kottavalsa, train will go different route. Hi.
సారీ సార్
నీ పేరు ఏం పేరమ్మా? నీ పేరు ఏం పేరు? హారిని హారిని హరిణి ఆర్య ఆర్య సినిమా. నీ పేరు అల్లు అర్జున? No RPF also boarded in the train in Kottavalsa. I confirm with RPF why you boarded, sir. Means he said ganja will smuggle this route in the second sitting coaches. Not only Visharam coach, you will see the every coach. This train, what is the advantage we get now? This train consists 3 coaches. Luckily we get last coach. The last coach experience is where level. Not only for genders, even children how they are enjoying. Arya, 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 hi. Tell hi now. And see backside also RPF also visit the train and checking, ensuring all passengers are safe or not. It is very safe, friends. And anything problem we can inform RPF directly. See, after Kottavalsa, 4 lines are becoming 1 line. Now we are entering in single line and hill route. Arya, Arya.
No, that one I came to know last week. You didn't ask me. थोड़ा और नीचे बैक कमी ना. See, this face is coming.
What's that ambulance?
नया कुछ बना है रागा उधर.
Arya.
You can see back side of the video. These children are really enjoying. So many children, you can see one kid is there, one kid is there. So many children are really enjoying. Not only children, even big persons also enjoying. Old persons also now one old grandma came. She also enjoyed a lot. But major like
ಇಂತ ಪಕ್ಕ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
in the side of platform irukada pakka. Platform illa na train area.
Safe platform the because here track is there.
Hey, Ishwar, ka?
Yeah.
They only. See. You see na? RPF caught him. That
इसी में पकड़ा इसी कोच में ये इसी कोच में पकड़ा और इसी कोच की सीट फोटो नहीं है मेरे पास.
इसी कोच में तो
surprise vigilance in the train, but we are very happy to serve with the RPF staff. If no RPF, we can't travel in the train. Now whatever security we coming in the trains, we can inform RPF. Thank you very much, sir.
now preparation UPSC. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम FCI selected, SSC selected और रेलवे में सिग्नल डिपार्टमेंट वेस्टर्न रेलवे अहमदाबाद के नाम सबसे सेट है. ऑडिटर सेलेक्ट है बट माय ड्रीम से UPSC my wife already selected. But I request you keep one time in future life you go Rajasthan one time because you my contact my family my relatives be here. If you need any help because मेरे रास्ता में ऐसे सब फेक ही उड़ रहे हैं। तुम आपको जितना भी हो सके तुम लोग जेल में डालो। हमारे बेसिस हम ऑनेस्ट है, इसलिए हम लोग को थोड़ा हिम्मत मिल जाता है कि ईमानदारी से नौकरी करनी है। फ्यूचर आई रिक्वेस्ट यू इन फ्यूचर रास्ता because I you help any help me I help you because my family my relatives my big brother ACP
Friends, just now we reached Bodawara station. There is unscheduled halt, but after this only that hill area will start and the train will get delayed. Train is running 20 minutes delay, but from this area, hill area is amazing, friends. But when you are visiting Visakhapatnam, please travel in Visakhapatnam Kirandul Express in Amsterdam coach. I am suggesting. But while coming also, this time will start at 4 o'clock. It will reach Vizag 8:20. But that time Amsterdam coach is not worthful. But that is your wish. Coaches, and lucky news is this train get LHB coaches also. Before and all, it running with second ICF coaches. I think last month only this get LHB coaches launched by our Vice President Venkaiah Naidu Garu. See, this front side coaches, and back side also good view. Only in train na small kids and one more kid also came. She is Naina. Naina. अभी कितना लड़के को कितना साल है? 1 साल है.
केजी नारा मन
सारी लोको पायलट. Just now we meet RPF and one more staff now is loco. सारी belong to East Coast Railway. विशाखापट्टनम to Bhubaneswar. Sir, good name?
पवन कुमार.
Sir name is Pawan Kumar and Pawan Kumar's daughter is Naina. Before we met 2 kids, Arya and one more Moidin. No, Naina. This train full of kids only.
देखो नैना.
Naina, देखो.
नैना.
ఏందన్నా మేమన్నా 1 hour లేటు. Goods train in Bodawara we get half an hour delay. After half an hour delay we are moving from Bodawara. Sorry for the inconvenience. We reached 10 minutes before the railway station. That's why I not saw the locomotive of this train. This train locomotive of Visakhapatnam Wrap 7 locomotive. So just now I seen the locomotive, but I can't cover the video because so many RPFs are in the railway station. That's why. Finally we crossed, but we are running, I think 1 hour delayed. Maybe I think it will cover half an hour. We have to see. Perama, hi, hi, Hania. Imperante Hania. Real pero? Sahasra. See, first Moidin, aprom Arya, now aprom Anya, now Sahasra. Going out, you come. సేమ్ ట్రాక్ ఇది హప్రా
అక్కడ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది చూడరా ట్రాక్
ఇదే ట్రాక్ పోతుందా రౌండ్ ట్రాక్ అంతా
అదా అక్కడ ఒకటి ట్రాక్ ఉండదు అనుకున్నా.
Next time now we will take video. We'll give you a company.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಸ್ಮಗ್ಲರ್ಸ್ Don't cry. Hasra, don't cry. क्या सर कैसा रहा सर मजा बहुत अच्छा है ना कम रूटे में कत मच इसके मैडम मैं मोहिदीन तो डाटो भाई This jar will not break. One thing I noticed in the route, every train have three engines, not goods engines. Because the route capacity, that train only have 3 engines. You can see from here. The first engine, second engine, third engine. You can see back capacity. Visible front engines. From stations, from Vizag, what are the stations we covered? Simhachalam, North Simhachalam, and Kottavalasa, S Kota, Singavarpu Kota, and Borragoda, now Shivalingapuram. I think next station will be Burra Caves. This coach will go up to Arco, but we are dropping in Burra Caves. What is the English? Yes, more people think like we are traveling in Shatabdi or Rajdhani or Gatiman Express. Yes, but we are traveling in normal train only. But this train attached Vishnudam coaches. You can see before me LHB coaches. You can look at after LHB coaches, dot coach you can see 3 Vishnudam coaches are attached. Actually, this Vishnudam coach started in 2019. After that, due to passengers are showing more interest in this route, they added 2 coaches. Their level. See, are you traveling in this route? Please travel in Vishnudam coach. Whatever you paying each and every rupee, you can worth it. But don't sit and sleep.
ஆமா ஆமா அதான் அந்த ரோடு தான் அதே ரோடு தான். சரி ஓகே.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದ ఫోన్ అటాచ్ చేయండి, గ్లాస్ అటాచ్ చేయండి, అప్పుడు బాగుంటుంది. ఇంకా మీరు నేనే మమ్మల్ని లీడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సార్ బండి ఒక్కరో లేట్ అయిందా రెగ్యులర్ లేట్ అవుతుంటుందా పోయినసారి వచ్చి కరెక్ట్గా వచ్చిందండి అప్పుడప్పుడు ఓకే ఓకే బాయ్ సార్ మీరు కిరణ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తారా అరకు దగ్గరికి వెళ్తారా కోల్హాపూరా సోరప్ ఈశ్వర్ మోహన్ గారు బాయ్ బాయ్ చూడు